Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to find the flash sale on Temu. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First of all, open the Temu app on your mobile device and make sure it is updated to latest version available. Now, once you are on a Temu, in order for you to find the flash sale Temu, as you can see when you open the application and here on the homepage, you should be able to see here lightning deals. Just simply tap on the lightning deals over here. And from here, guys, you will be able to find all of the flash sale on a Temu. And as you can see, you will have here multiple options that you can choose from. And from there, you'll be able to find the flash sale products on Temu. So all of these are flash sale. And at the top, you'll be able to choose multiple categories as well. So that's basically how you can find the flash sale on Temu. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful. And I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.